Let us see how to combine searching the last used pattern and visual mode. The G lowercase n command searches the last used pattern in the forward direction and visually selects the matched portion. So for example, let's say my last search is mode, and let me clear the highlighting, and let's say cursor is here. And now if I use GN, it should go to the next match and visually select that matched portion. So GN, and you can see the match has been selected visually. If the cursor is already within the match portion, then the current match will be visually selected. So for example, if the cursor is here and if I use GN, you can see that particular match is visually selected. And if visual mode is already active, then the selection will be extended till the next match. So for example, if this is my current visual selection, and now if I use GN, it should extend the selection till the next match. So till here, GN. So you can see selection has been extended. If you use G uppercase N, then the same things will happen, but in the backward direction. So cursor is here, and if I use G uppercase N, it should highlight this match. So G uppercase N. You can see this word has been highlighted. Next, let us see how GN works with the C command. Here, GN will act as the motion. This is helpful if you want to use the dot command to automatically move to the next match and repeat the last action you did with C command. So let me show an example. Suppose I have searched for the term the, and my cursor is here. Now if I use CGN, it should move to the next match and clear it. So CGN. So you can see the next match has been cleared. And now if I type some text and press escape, so my last operation is clearing the match and inserting 42. If I use dot, then it should repeat the last operation, so which is moving to the next match, clearing it and inserting 42. So I am going to press dot. So you can see the next match has been changed to 42. I'll press dot again and one more time. And let's say you want to skip this match. So I can just use N instead of dot. And now if I use dot, since the cursor is on the current match, that will be changed. Remember, GN selects the current match if cursor is anywhere within the matching portion. So if you want to skip, then you have to move beyond the current match. So if you use N, and if you want to skip this, then just use N again and press dot. And if you use dot again, it should change this, and so on. Let me undo all this. Without CGN, if you use normal mode motion, then you will have to use N or uppercase N depending on what you need, and dot command to repeat the changes. So for example, cursor is here, and if I use N, it moves to the next match. And let me say I do C, E and 42 and escape. Now I'll have to press N. You can see it goes to the next match. I'll press dot to change it. Then I'll have to press N again to go to the next match, and then press dot to do the change, and so on. So instead, if you use CGN, you can combine searching for the next match and performing the change. And as usual, searching will automatically wrap around when it reaches top or bottom of the file contents. You can change that by using the no wrap scan option.